An execution policy restricts or allows your computer to run scripts depending on what kind of execution policy is currently running. There are 6 different execution policies in Windows PowerShell version 5.1. Restricted. No scripts can run. All signed. Local and remote scripts can run if signed by a trusted certificate authority. Remote signed. Local unsigned scripts can run, but remote scripts only if properly signed. Unrestricted. Any scripts can run. Bypass. Bypassing the execution policy environment, any scripts can run. Undefined. Sets a computer's default execution policy. To check what execution policy is currently running, open Windows PowerShell and then type get-execution policy and then hit enter. We see that restricted is the current execution policy that is now running, which means that in this moment this computer cannot run scripts. To change the execution policy so that the computer actually can run scripts, we have to first open Windows PowerShell as an administrator. And then type set-execution policy space -execution policy space remote signed and then hit enter. And then type A for yes to all and then hit enter. We can now see that the execution policy we defined a few seconds ago now is the one running by typing get-execution policy and then hitting enter.